Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should verify your site now using DNS, HTML tag, or Google Tag Manager so Search Console trusts you. This is essential. Once done, submit your sitemap. XML and use URL inspection to request a live crawl for priority pages so Google sees recent changes. Make sure to set your preferred domain and confirm mobile-first indexing status. This affects which version Google treats as canonical. These first actions create the foundation for accurate data and faster indexing. Act immediately. Now dive into the performance report and filter by query, page, country, or device to find where traffic and impressions come from. This tells you what to optimize. Then inspect core web vitals and page experience under enhancements so you can prioritize speed and layout shifts that harm rankings. Simultaneously, address coverage issues, 404s, redirects, and AMP errors because technical problems block indexing. Once you correct issues, request revalidation. That signals Google to reprocess the fixes faster. Finish by optimizing pages that show high impressions but low click-through rate, rewrite titles and meta descriptions, and add structured data to improve rich results. Once optimized, monitor performance weekly and coverage monthly to catch regressions and to measure impact. If indexing stalls or drops, re-inspect affected URLs, confirm robots, TXT and noindex tags, and review server logs for crawl errors. Often issues are simple to fix. One key troubleshooting tip. If revalidation fails, clear caches and request a new live URL inspection. Then wait 24 to 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.